Good day, everyone. Do you know that every year millions of tons of plastic waste end up in our oceans and landfills, much of it stemming from non-eco-friendly packaging? The packaging industry is one of the biggest contributors to global pollution, and its impact on our environment is catastrophic. These materials take hundreds of years to break down, releasing harmful chemicals into the soil and water and endangering wildlife. The plastic bottles, food wrappers, and foam containers we use every day are wreaking havoc on our ecosystems. But there is hope. The solution lies in switching to eco-friendly packaging, which reduces the environmental burden significantly. Materials like biodegradable plastics, recycled paper, and plant-based alternatives are revolutionizing the way we package goods. Not only do these materials decompose faster, but they are also made from renewable resources, lowering carbon emissions during production. Eco-friendly packaging can also be designed to be reusable or recyclable, promoting a circular economy where products are used more than once before they are recycled or composted. This can greatly reduce waste and keep harmful materials out of our landfills and oceans. Moreover, innovations such as edible packaging made from seaweed, mushroom-based packaging, and plant starches are rapidly growing in popularity. These not only offer environmentally responsible options, but can also be more cost-effective in the long run. As consumers, we have the power to make a difference. By supporting businesses that prioritize sustainability and making eco-conscious choices in our everyday purchases, we can collectively reduce the demand for harmful packaging and create a more sustainable future. So let's make the change today, because the future of our planet depends on the actions we take right now. Thank you.